Good morning, student. On last turn, I completed exercise 13.2. Now today, I am going to start conversion of solid from one shape to another. Conversion of solid from one shape to another. In this exercise, we will melt the one solid, change into another solid, then we put these two values equal and we find it the given value and find it the another value which is asked from the question. Now let us see exercise 13.3. See the second question. Metallic sphere of radii 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter respectively are melted to form a single solid sphere. Find the radius of resulting sphere. There are three sphere. First is radius 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Volume of first sphere plus volume of second sphere plus volume of third sphere, that is volume of new sphere. So 4/3 pi r1 cube, 4/3 pi r2 cube, 4/3 pi r3 cube is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. Taking 4/3 pi common, r1 cube plus r2 cube plus r3 cube is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. 4/3 cancel, pi cancel. Putting the value of r1, r2 and r3, 6 cube plus 8 cube plus 10 cube is equal to r cube. 6 cube is 6 into 6 into 6, 216. 8 into 8 into 8, 512, 10 into 10 into 10, 8, 2, 7, 1 and r is cube is equal to 1728. It is cube of, you see it, 2 8 ja, 2 6 ja, 2 4 ja, 2 4 ja, 2 3 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 6 ja, 108, 54, 27, 9. So it is cube of 3, cube of 2, cube of 2. That means 2 into 3 whole cube. That is 12 cube. Cube and cube cancel. R is equal to 12 centimeter. So radius of new sphere is 12 centimeter. Let us take fourth question. A well is of diameter 3 meter is dug 14 meter deep. This earth taken out of it has been spread evenly all around it in the shape of right circular ring of width 4 meter to form a embankment. Find the height of embankment. This is your earth level and this is the well is dug out. Its diameter is 3 meter and height is, that is deep, 14 meter. This earth has been spread evenly. It spread it all around it. And its level is increased. This earth is dug out all around it. Which is 4 meter wide. This is 4 meter wide. So how much height is increased of embankment? This is form embankment. So volume of earth dug out is equal to volume of embankment. This is in shape of cylinder, pi r square h. This is pi capital R square minus small r square into h1, because it is hollow cylinder. This pi and pi cancel. Small r is 3/2, that is 1.5 meter. Capital R is 1.5 plus 4, 5.5 meter. Putting the value, height is 14, 5.5 square into h1, 2.25 into 14, 5.5 square is 30.25 minus 2.25 into h1. 2.25 into 14 is equal to 30.25 minus 2.25, that is 28 into h1. h1 is equal to 2.25 into 14 upon 28. 14 2 ja and 2 1 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 5 ja, 1.125 meter. So the height of embankment is 1.125 meter. Now see the question number 5. A container shape like a right circular cylinder having diameter 14 centimeter, height 15 centimeter is full of ice cream. This is the cylindrical container. Diameter is 12, height is 15. It is full of ice cream. This container fills the cone of ice cream, diameter 6 centimeter and height is 12 centimeter. Also, a hemisphere shape ice cream is also put on the cone. How many cone will be filled by this container? So, volume of ice cream in cylindrical container is equal to pi r square h. You can take pi value as it is. Radius is 6 into 6 into 15. 15 6 are 90, 9 6 are 54, 545 cubic centimeter. Now, this is filled in cone. The volume of ice cream in a cone is equal to volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. 1/3 pi r square h, 2/3 pi r cube. Given that radius is 3, so 1/3 into pi into 3 into 3 into 12, 2/3 pi, 3 into 3 into 3. This 3 cancel it, 12 3 are 36 pi, 3 and 3 cancel, 3 3 are 9, 2 are 18 pi, it become 54 pi. So, number of ice cream cone is equal to volume of ice cream in a cylinder upon volume of ice cream in a cone, that is equal to 540 pi, and this is 54 pi. Pi and pi cancel, 54 10 ja. So 10 cone will be filled. Next, question number 6. How many silver coin 1.75 centimeter in diameter and of thickness 2.2 millimeter must be melted to form a cuboid of dimension 5.5 by 10 by 3.5. So, volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. Given that 5.5 into 10 into 3.5, this remove it, 10 cancel it, 35 5 is 175, 35 5 is 175 and 17, 192. Cubic centimeter. Diameter of silver coin. .75 centimeter. So radius is 1.75 upon 2. Thickness, that means height, 2 millimeter, change into centimeter, that is 0.2 centimeter. Volume of silver coin is pi r square h, 22 upon 7, 1.75 upon 2, and height is 0.2. Remove this decimal, put 10, 2 and 2 cancel, 2 11 ja. This decimal remove, put 100, 7 2 ja, 7 5 ja, 25 4 ja, 11 5 ja 55, 11 7 ja 77 and 5 82, 11 1 ja 11 और 8 19.25 upon 400. Therefore, number of silver coin is equal to volume of cuboid upon volume of coin, that is equal to 192.5 upon 19.25 upon 400. This come upward, remove this decimal, put 100, remove this decimal, put 10, this cancel it, that is equal to 4000. So your homework is question number 1 and question number 3 of exercise 3.3. चलो जी.